Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to bring you Milwaukee M12 electric portable soldering iron. I used this soldering iron continuously for 6 months, and after 6 months it stopped working, like it's turning on but not heating up the element. So this is the replacement I got. I thought I should do a review. Until 6 months it works perfectly. The thing is, same issue, the element not heating up issue came to my one of my friends also in my company. So my soldering iron and his soldering iron got same problem, but Milwaukee Trade Tools gave us replacement, brand new ones. So I hopefully think this one will last. Even if this one break, we can get a replacement. But the thing is, we have to wait until like 1 week to get a replacement. But until 6 months, it's worked perfectly, nothing wrong. So let's unbox this soldering iron and check what's in it. If we talk about the soldering iron, we have angle changeable bit, 90 degrees, 3 points, 45 degrees and straight, and we can put our rechargeable battery here. And this is a 3 ampere battery. We can get until 6 amperes battery, but the price is increasing according to the battery ampere hours. We have our battery indicator from these 4 lights, and blinking light means it's still heating up, and we have a work light small. It's okay in emergency situations. That's nice. If we talk about specs, this soldering iron max temperature is 400 C, heat output is 90 watt, heat up time is 18 seconds, and also with the replacement I got 2 bits. And there is a safety indicator, heat indicator, that this red light is keep staying on until the bit heat is fully gone. So it's a nice safety tip. Otherwise we have to touch it, or somehow we have to know the bit is heat or not. So until red light is lit, that's mean the heat is still on the bit, so we can keep it a ventilated area.